We are showing you our beautiful opportunity at 875 Fifth Avenue, which is a 5.5 room apartment. In this beautiful pre-war design, the apartments have this amazing detail. That needs a total renovation, which is my new listing, 875 Fifth Avenue. We're going to meet my colleague, Chloe, right here. We stepped onto the set of The Godfather.
It feels like it.
So early 70s, it's like amazing. Oh my God, if you look here, it's just great. Like the kitchen is right out of movie, wallpaper is amazing. We had shot video of this apartment as part of a TV show that we're on called American Dream, which gets to showcase how real estate really gets done in Manhattan. So the virtual tour continues, and you can see some of the gracious arrival, some of the space that you could transform. You can see the unique design of the dining area, which comes complete with your china cabinet and the ability to put in a really nice chandelier. This is the center hall, so that takes you to the living room there, and the kitchen is on the opposite side of the dining room. As you took a quick peek when Chloe, Chasanoff, and myself reviewed, you can see the apartment is in need of a renovation. We are definitely excited for someone to take this opportunity on. Here's the view. As you're sitting from your couch, you can see blue skies and Central Park, and 69th Street has its own entrance into the park. It's not a side view of the park, it is a direct view if you're sitting on your couch. And that's 69th Street, which is tree-lined and gorgeous. We're now in the master bedroom, which has an ensuite bath, through the wall air condition, and 2 large closets. Again, we swing around again to see views of the park. This is bedroom number 2, which faces to the courtyard, which is a big, open, gracious courtyard at 875 Fifth. Lots of built-ins and closet space, which you will organize as you see fit. We're now entering into the kitchen, which is a bit of a time capsule, but it is very large and enables you to have a wonderful kitchen space for entertaining. Windowed kitchen. You are able to put in central air here on this, and we can talk fully about all of the construction rules. And what we did not show you is the 3rd bedroom, which is an office slash maid's room, and the ensuite bathroom there. So you do have 3 full baths. If you have any questions, we would love to talk to you and to give you a guided tour in person to answer any of the questions. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.